First exercise. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Lie on your back with your arms at your sides. Bend your knees with your feet flat on the floor. Now, raise your toes off the floor and bring them toward you without lifting your heels off the floor. Next, lower them down to return to the starting position. Repeat.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Lie on your back with your arms at your side. Bend your knee and keep your feet flat on the floor. Now lower both legs at the same time toward the left side, twisting at your hips. Bring them back to the center and drop them to the right side. Repeat.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Lie on your back with your arms at your sides. Bend your knees with your feet flat on the floor. Now extend your left knee and place it on the floor. Bring it back to the center and extend the right knee. Return to the starting position and repeat. Alternate between left and right leg.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Lie prone with your legs extended and support your upper body on your forearms. Now bend your left knee and bring the heel toward your buttocks. Extend it and repeat the same with your right knee. Alternate between left and right leg.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Now open your legs apart and lower each to the side. Try to open them as much as you can. Bring them back to the center and repeat. Keep your lower back relaxed.
Lose my mind 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes.
20 seconds.
Stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight.
10 seconds.
Hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you.
Last exercise. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Lie on your back with your legs extended. Raise your upper body off the floor. Now lift your legs off the ground a few inches and bring your left knee toward your chest and hug it with both arms, bringing it close to you. Extend the leg and bring the right leg toward your chest and hug it. Extend the leg and repeat. Keep both legs and upper body off
20
the floor
seconds.
throughout the exercise.
You want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night.
10 seconds.
Telling me lies, baby, stop telling me lies.
3, 2, 1, rest. Workout complete. Well done. Be sure to tap the like button for this video if you made it this far, and see you in the next workout. If you enjoyed this workout, I would really appreciate if you could tap the thumbs up button for this